This tutorial guides you through the process of removing your Instagram account from the auto login feature in Google Chrome. By following the steps, you will disable the automatic login from your Instagram account, enhancing your privacy and security when accessing the platform. So let's begin. First, open any web browser that's available on your PC or phone devices. While we are in the web browser, go to the Instagram website, and the Instagram website, make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already open using a PC. After logging into your account, click the More tab, which is located at the bottom left of the website screen. The menu will appear. Just click the Settings tab so that we can proceed. While we are in the Settings tab, locate the Account Center section. After you locate the Account Center section, click the See More and Account Center button so that we can proceed to the Account Center. Now that we are in the Account Center, click the Accounts tab at the bottom menu. And the Accounts tab, click the Remove button of the Instagram account you want to delete. By completing the steps, you have successfully removed your Instagram account from Google Chrome's auto login feature. This action enhances your privacy and prevents automatic logins in the future. And if you have multiple accounts or need to manage other login settings, consider revisiting the Account Center to make additional adjustments.